Hey folks, Mac T here, and I just got a phone call and I recorded it to show you what happens when these extended warranty companies call you and want to sell you an extended warranty. This is what they do to me each and every time. Have a good listen. The year and make and model of my vehicle is a 2011 Ford Edge.
2011 Ford Edge. And do you know the approximate mileage?
268,944 miles.
268,000?
Yes.
I'm very sorry for the inconvenience, sir. It has to be anywhere from... it can't be nowhere past 150,000 for this insurance.
How come you guys keep calling me then?
I'm not sure, sir. I just get general information and I pass you on, sir. I'm just a worker.
Okay, well, you guys might want to put me on your do not call list because I keep getting calls.
Nope, no problem, sir. I can do that for you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
As you can see, they're not interested in my car at all. They do the same thing. Some just actually hang up. But this is Mac T Ford Edge. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also join Facebook group Mac T Ford Edge. Band of One has some great music and my fee at the Ford today, and I'm having a great day with the callers. Anyway, Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners for you.
Thank you for watching Mac T's videos. Remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.